In today's video, I will walk you through how to create online registration form using Google Docs. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open Google Forms, which you can access through the official Google Forms website or by opening Google Drive while you are signed into your Google account. Once you're inside, create a new blank form so you can begin setting up your registration page from scratch. At the top of the form, add your event title so it clearly shows what the registration is for. Right below that, you can include important details like the event date and time so participants understand everything at a glance before filling anything out. Next, start adding your questions. Begin with the email address field and set it to short answer. Make sure to switch on the required option so every response includes an email for proper communication. After that, you can duplicate this question to quickly add first name and last name fields. Update each one accordingly and also keep them marked as required so your responses stay complete and well organized. If you want to collect a bit more information, you can add extra fields like gender using the multiple choice option. Keeping the form simple helps people complete it faster without any confusion. Before you share the form, use the preview option to review everything carefully. This lets you check the layout and confirm that all questions appear the way you intended. Once everything looks good, your online registration form is ready to collect responses, and you can start sharing it with your participants. Thank you for watching the video.